remember the last season I made, but I was fiery. This time, I have got a cool skin I'll be playing as this season. It might be a bit too big, but today, with the Hunt 3, I have got tennis ball stack thingy. Yes. I don't know why I joined back and I got my my gems back as well. While I wasn't making one of these episodes for a month, maybe now I'll actually make these monthly episodes. Oh, seriously? Hold on, where was it? Oh, they took tennis ball. Well, since they took tennis ball, I think I'll just be this instead. Yeah. Why are they taking my friend tennis ball from me? Oh, because I want to be tennis bear, that's all. Second of all, I'm not going to be fiery again, because every time I choose fiery, I get booted. Or some part of being the second boot. Whee! Bommy happy. Happy Bommy. Happy Bommy. I don't know what my next victory should get with this. Okay, anywhere. Alright, if your team loses, you'll be up for elimination. I was imagining I saw a wind token. I remember one time I found the curse token, but not on this one. I've only found the default wind token again. What is that? A balloon skin. Okay. Bommy chooses Robin. Okay, I'm with Needle. Alright, I don't know if I really want to talk the actual voice actor by now, but I want to do what I want to do. I have to be, I thought it was on the... Let's spin the wheel. Not tennis bear. Did he just leave? No, he didn't leave. It's balance beam. There was something, because, now something's tilting. I don't know why, but if you keep holding shift lock, it tilts. I can't do this with so many fabrics at a time, remember? Oh no. I'm just gonna jump, maybe. This annoying challenge. Maybe first person. Whoa. Oh my goodness. I want to make it so badly. I don't want to be voted for. Yes. Looks like the bomb. Hold on, am I the first safe on this team? I never noticed. Hurry up, team, or you make me for elimination loads of times in a row. Well, I guess this is it. No, it is not.